Almost 200 people have been confirmed dead as rescuers continue to search the rubble for survivors following two major earthquakes in Venezuela. Jamaica is among several countries which have pledged support to the South American country. Romardo Lyons reports.
Magnitudes 7.2 and 7.5, the two powerful earthquakes that rocked Venezuela on Wednesday, less than a minute apart. The first sending residents running to safety. The second, just 39 seconds later, doubling fear and panic. That one being the most powerful quake recorded in the country in more than a century. Buildings collapsed into debris, many trapped in the rubble. The United Nations says more than 100 buildings collapsed in the capital Caracas and the state of La Guaira. The Venezuelan government deployed the army and heavy machinery to the worst hit areas. Rescue operations stretched into sundown, and applause here greeting workers pulling people from beneath rubble. At least 188 people have died and more than 1,500 injured. Many people are missing or still trapped beneath rubble as search and rescue efforts continued throughout Thursday. The death toll is expected to climb. The Jamaican government has extended condolences to the people of Venezuela. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says Jamaica stands in full solidarity with Venezuela at this time. He added that Jamaica is ready to support relief and recovery efforts in whatever way possible and is praying for Venezuela's strength and a swift and full recovery. The opposition also expressed condolences to the Venezuelan people following the disaster. Trinidad and Tobago, Mexico, and Qatar have also pledged support. In the meantime, the United States has deployed rescue teams promising to provide $150 million in aid. Help continues to reach the country from the United Nations, among others. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.